Alright, this is going to be a tour of the elevators here at Palm East Gardens Condominiums in Hialeah, Florida. As you can see, this elevator is still out of service. This is the, I believe, north elevator at 1810 building. It's been broken for a while now, so who knows when it will be fixed. EPIC fail. Let's move on. So this is the elevator here at Palm East Gardens Condominiums in Hialeah, Florida. The south side at 1810 building. It's a Miami/Dover elevator installed in 1973. Thankfully, it's still original. I'm glad. Door sensor. These are vintage fixtures, certificate, there's your phone, floor indicator, capacity 1,500 pounds, and here's your cab view. Whoa. Whoa, that sounded like it got low on oil. Oh wow. Does not sound great. Sending up to 4 to get a machine room view. Now we're gonna go ahead and get a machine room view. It's a really rainy day today. They used to have a dry power motor, but they don't have one anymore, which really sucks. Now let's get the other elevator. It seems that the call button is upside down. Piso 3. So this is the elevator here at Palm East Gardens Condominiums in Hialeah, Florida. It's a Dover elevator installed in 1973, and thankfully it's still original. I'm glad. De nada. The machine room is on the first floor. These are vintage fixtures, certificate, there's your phone, floor indicator, and here's your cab view. I'm really glad it's still original. Though they need to fix the call button. The floor indicator seems to be burnt out. Now we're gonna set it up to 1. ¿Qué piso?
What you going?
Sí.
Up. All right. 3. Thank you, man.
No problem.
¿Te lo cogiste cero millas?
Sí, no, eso seca rapidísimo.
Ay, mi madre.
No, y allí hay como 5 o 6.
Fate no se dé cuenta.
Pero no. Se va a dar cuenta, güey.
Here we have the machine room. Now let's take a listen. This is the elevator here at 1850 building, by the way. Now let's move on to the next elevator. The floor stickers are white instead of black. That's nice. So this is the elevator here at Palm East Gardens Condominiums, 1890 building in Hialeah, Florida. This is the north elevator at the 1890 building. And it got a slap-on mod with GAL. It got a slap-on mod in the 1980s, and it's a Dover elevator that used to have vintage fixtures installed in 1973. These are GAL Jet Plus fixtures, fire emergency operation, certificate, emergency phone. The capacity 1,500 pounds. They turned back on their annoying fan, sadly. And here's your cab view. We're gonna go ahead and get a machine room view. It's a dry power motor. Nice. Now let's move on to our last elevator. GAL Jet Plus call button. So this is the elevator at Palm East Gardens Condominiums in Hialeah, Florida. The south elevator at 1890 building. It's a Dover elevator installed in 1973, and thankfully it's still original. I'm glad. Door sensor. These are vintage fixtures, certificate, fire emergency phone, floor indicator, capacity 1,500 pounds, and here's your cab view. The cab reminds me of the elevator at Trident Park Condominiums. ¿Cuál piso? Now we're going to go ahead and get a machine room view. The motor sounds like the elevator at Westland Eden Condominiums 2 in Hialeah, Florida, the west side, before it got modernized. The door's locked. And that's it.